Okay, so today I'm going to install the TP-Link dimmable switch. It's the HS220, and again it's a dimmable smart switch. It connects through Wi-Fi, and it's a rather easy process to install. I've already done 6 switches in the kitchen, and they work perfectly. Okay, so here it is. I got it out of the box. A little protective ring. The actual switch cover plate that comes with it is really modern. No screws that show on the front. And one area I'm going to use that because the other wall switch plate doesn't look as good as this. So you just have to grab it and pull. There. And that comes off. Now to use this front switch plate, you got to keep this on the white thing. So we'll be keeping that. And it's just got your basic wiring. On the dimmable ones, you have your hot and your load and your line. Okay, so this is the switch that I'm going to be replacing. It's kind of junky looking, so it's definitely going to look better when I'm done and be more smart home-ish. So I'm going to turn the light on, and there it is. Light is on. Then I'm going to go out in the garage and find the breaker for it. Recording? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to open up the wall here. Okay, so we got the switch out of the wall. Of course, the breaker is turned off. We have a line and a load. You're going to have to know the difference between the two. The line is what's coming from the breaker. It's always going to be hot. The load is what's going to be going to the actual light up in the ceiling. Then we got your green is going to be your ground, your bare copper wire. And then the white is the neutral line, which you need to have a neutral line to power these because these connect to the internet or your Wi-Fi. And if there's no power, then it will lose its connection and it won't be smart. So in order for it to have power 24/7, you'll need a neutral line. Okay, so let's get this thing wired. Okay, so here we are. I have it installed, and you're going to notice the light is flashing from red to green. Now it's ready to be hooked into the Wi-Fi. So the next process that you have to do is connect to your cell phone with the app. So, all right. So here we have my smartphone. We're going to go into the app. And we're going to go up here to the plus sign. We're going to add a device. And what we're adding is a smart switch. So we're going to click on that. And it is a dimmer style switch. It's asking if you've already wired up your Wi-Fi. Yes. Now it's asking, is it flashing from green to red? And yes, it is. Now we need to go over to our settings and go into the Wi-Fi of the phone. So that's what we're going to do. So we'll go over here. Oop, not there. We're going to go into settings. We're going to go into Wi-Fi. Now it's going to look, and you'll see on your thing here, it says TP-Link Smart Dimmer Switch. You're going to want to click on that. It's going to come up top where it's going to show you that we're connected. Okay, and now we're going to go back in. Yes, and I'm connected. It's going to look, and as it's doing so, you'll notice the wall switch will start changing. Click faster. Oh, here we go. Now it's going to ask to connect into your Wi-Fi. So we're going to go into my Wi-Fi, and I've already been in there, so my password's already set. And this will start going quicker. It's connected. Now that it's got a solid green, it means it's connected to my Wi-Fi. The phone's just taking a second to catch up. And we are connected. It's asking to name your light switch. So we will name it dining room. And hit save. And I'll make it look like one of these. Hit save. Now it's asking us to how dim can you make it, and the light is already very dim at this level. So I'm gonna put it about one more up. That's as low as I want it to be. Hit test. So it's going to go up and down, and the light's going to get bright, and the light's going to go dim. All right. So everything worked out. So yes, it did. Hit continue. And congratulations. Sounds good. It's asking for an update, and it will update to the newer software or whatever's out there. And that's about how difficult or easy as it is. So on my way to making a smart house.